today's video, we're going to learn how to install any APK files on any Windows computer. So just open any web browser that you have. Then you need to type in BlueStack, Windows, and then click on the first option. Okay. So if you're using a high graphics card, you just click on this download BlueStack. But for me, I'm using low-end PC. So I'll click on see all version. And then for Windows, you need to choose Nougat 32-bit. Alright, just click on download. Wait for your download to finish, and then once it's done, you need to install it. And let's just wait for the installation to complete. Okay, so if you do see this option, you just need to choose download BlueStack 32-bit. Okay, and install now. Click on I agree. So once you open the application, you need to click here on this part, and then you'll see here Play Store. Alright, so first we need to sign in our Gmail account in order to proceed. Alright, so once you sign your account, then you're all set. You can install any application you want. I'm gonna search it here. Let's try Lock. Alright, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.